Hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to learn how to get free wedding planner using Excel. It is totally free of cost. These templates are extremely convenient to use. You can see that there are multiple options for the available templates at the top. I would be clicking on budget in order to view the multiple templates which are available in Excel. You can see that multiple templates are available, so we can scroll down so that we can find a wedding planner template across these templates. So we can see that here is the template. So now we would be opening this template by simply clicking on it. Once you have opened the template, you will see a create button over here and you have to click it. When you will get this template opened, you will see a few instructions, a few details about the template. We will be opening wedding budget sheet. Now in this template, you can change the wedding date. Depending upon the date which you have changed, remaining days would be calculated. For example, if 20 days are left, so here 20 would be written. You can see that there are categories given. Then we have columns for estimated and actual expenses. The difference between estimated and actual is given in the form of over and under. In these cells, you can record your expenses which have occurred. For example, if you have estimated that for the purpose of giving gifts to your relatives' friends, there must be a budget of 14,500, so we can record this in this cell. In the same way, after your wedding, when all the expenses would have occurred, you would record them in the column of actual, and the difference between estimated and actual would appear automatically. You would not have to put any formula. Total expenses row would also be automatically updated. It would be the sum of all the estimated expenses, the sum of actual expenses, and we will also get the sum of over and under expenses. One of the biggest advantage of this template is this, that you can see that there is an automatic graph which has been drawn by the Excel. It will help us to analyze that which category has the most expense. Moving on to the next sheet. In this sheet, you can see that the category is further divided into subcategories and their estimated and actual expenses are recorded so that over and under expenses could be calculated. We can see that these totals are absolutely equal to the estimated apparel expenses calculated in this sheet. All the categories which were recorded in wedding budget sheet like apparel, reception, music, they are further divided into many subcategories and you can enter the respective expense. For example, if it's 700, I can change the estimated cake expenses to 500. In the same way, you can change any of the expense. You can change the estimated and actual value. The total for all these categories would be calculated automatically and will automatically be updated in the wedding budget sheet. In the same way, we have another sheet over here. This sheet also records the estimated and actual expenses for different categories. It is quite simple because you would not have to use Excel formulas of sum, total and then update cells because it's done automatically in Excel.